In the last video, we started taking apart the front end and discovered a lot of hidden damages. So we replaced some suspension parts so we can roll it off the trailer and get it into the shop. We already removed the hood so we can clean a bit and get to the fender. We did some adjustments so we can remove the tray. And finally, remove the fender. So the fender's off, hood's off, and you can definitely see a lot more open area. So far what we know is that the shock tower is pushed in. We don't know how badly it's pushed in yet, but once we get it on the frame machine and we get all the dimensions for the frame, we're gonna fully disassemble the front suspension on this side and start pulling. But before we put on the frame machine, we gotta take that car off. So before we lower the frame machine so we can drive the Chevy on top of it, this is a future build. We're not gonna start on this build yet because we got the Chevy.
And a couple cars in front of it.
Yeah, and a couple cars in front of it. But subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Maybe it's next, you never know. Alright, so this Subaru was sitting for quite a while. Let's get a cold start. Alright, so we're on to the truck. We're doing some inspection to the frame if it didn't get damaged further down, and everything's fine. But we did find some more hidden damages. The rear shock definitely needs to be replaced. It's bent. And the gas tank shield got a bunch of holes in it. There. And the mounting point is ripped. So we're gonna need to change that as well. But other than that, I think nothing else is damaged on this truck. A little bit of surface rust, but that's normal on these kind of trucks. Alright, so we're gonna have to stop the video right here because we gotta go to Home Depot and buy some 6x6s and strap down the truck and safely continue working on the truck. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe so we can keep on creating awesome content for y'all. So I guess we'll see you in the next one.